Finding the right gadgets for your car is often daunting, but we've got you covered. In this video, we have packaged a list of 12 coolest car gadgets that are worth buying. Make sure you watch this video till the end, so you won't miss any of these gadgets. Welcome to Techie Spot. Before we proceed, give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next video. Now, let's move. Techie Spot, your #1 tech channel. Phillips Car Air Purifier. Looking for the best way to purify the air in your car? Then this amazing gadget will surely be of interest to you. The air in your car is filled with dust and harmful particles, and you need to get rid of them and purify the air. Although, air purifiers at home helped in solving this problem, but you can't carry them in your car. This compact air purifier uses a 3-layer system to remove all sorts of pollutants, bacteria, and harmful particles in the air in less than 15 minutes. It has a built-in LED indicator, which shows the current quality of the air in 3 different colors, and in addition to that, this gadget uses a replaceable fragrance cartridges to diffuse nice scents. You can easily install it in the cup holder, on the armrest, or on the headrest. Its filter can last up to 1 year, and it only takes a few seconds to insert a new one. This is the best gadget you need to purify the air in your car. Side mirror turn signal. Looking for an amazing gadget for your side mirror? Then this one right here will surely interest you. It's true that safety is the main priority when driving. This gadget helps to make your movements more noticeable to other drivers. You only need to attach this gadget to your side mirror, and it will perform its function. And amazingly, it won't affect the visibility of your side mirror. The panel is equipped with 33 LED lights, which form 2 dynamic arrows. The sequential lighting makes them even more noticeable on the road. It comes in 2 color options, amber and red. It's suitable for SUV, trucks, and most cars. This is an amazing invention for your car. Bluetooth Visor speakerphone. Of course you need a smart solution for receiving and making phone calls while driving. This Bluetooth speakerphone is your must-have gadget. It looks very simple, but it works by just pairing it with your phone. Most importantly is that, you can pair 2 phones at once. It has a magnetic clip, which makes it very easy to attach the speakerphone to the sun visor. Its built-in battery can last up to 20 hours of talk time, amazing for long conversations. It can even last for days in standby. You can easily recharge it via USB cable. It has a number of interesting features like voice recognition, last call redial, and so on. This is a perfect gadget for hands-free calls. Car stickers Equalizer. Looking for a smart way to have fun while in your car? Then you should probably get this amazing gadget. This is a smart way to turn your car into a nightclub. This sticker comes with number of built-in LED lights, which gives beautiful colors, and provides your music with amazing light show. You can even set it to rhyme with your music, and follow the beat of the song being played. It has an adhesive tape, which makes it easy to be attached to your car window, and installing this sticker takes only a few minutes. In addition, the sticker is just about 0.4 inches thick, so it doesn't take up much space. It comes in several color options to choose from. With this sticker, it's easy to throw a party right inside your car. If you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. LED display steering wheel. This is definitely a cool gadget for your car. It's a stylish design steering wheel accessory that brings great functionality, bright and cool look. It has 2 lines of colorful LED lights, which support multiple colors and customizable dynamic patterns, and they're also quite informative. These lights display all sorts of important data, like temperature, speed, battery, or oil status. The small screen in the middle displays the actual numbers, and enables you to switch between different functions and colors. This gadget covers the top of your wheel, without affecting the airbag or buttons. This is a cool invention for your car. Headlight Restore Kits. Looking for a smart way to clean your car headlights? Then this gadget should be of help to you. You need to clean those dirty headlight lenses that make your car look untidy. These dirty lenses affect visibility. This headlight restoring kit has all the tools you need to achieve a clean and shiny looking headlight. It takes only 15 minutes to clean both headlights, and it follows 4 simple steps. First, you'll need the included microfiber rag and some clean water to remove the first layer of dirt. Then use the 2-sided sanding pad. Start with the 2000 grit side to get rid of heavy contaminants. Then just finish the polishing with the 3000 grit side. When the headlights dry, you then apply the white new coating, which will keep them clean for years. The whole process is really simple. This is all the tools you need to achieve a shiny looking headlight. Wheel Driver. This is a multifunctional tool with a simple and smart design. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to use than average traditional spanners and ratchets. You can carry it in your pocket, or even attach it to your belt or backpack. This is possible due to its integrated fixing system, and also to its switchable tips. The toolbox in the wheel is suitable for bolts and screws of various types. The 6 bits are neatly hidden inside, together with a powerful magnetic driver and a socket adapter. Its larger version has additional 10 bits in a special box. Its tire shape ensures a comfortable grip and smooth rotation. This is an amazing gadget you should buy. Traction mats. Tired of getting stuck in snow, dirt, or sand? Then you need to try out these traction mats. These mats are suitable for several off-road situations. They're 48 inches long and 14.5 inches wide, and they're suitable even for large SUV. They're made of polypropylene plastic, and they're lightweight and extremely durable. The set includes 2 items for either front or rear wheels. If you have these mats, just forget about towing or pushing. If you have viewed up to this extent, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. LED headlight bulbs. This is an adjustable lighting for your car. This LED headlights stand out with 3 different colors: white, yellow, and neutral white. And they all have different brightness levels, which suits best for certain weather conditions. It's really easy to switch the settings with just a simple click. It also has an emergency flashing mode, which is very important for off-road driving. The headlight is rated IP67, and can survive water, mud, and almost any severe condition. And in addition, the light uses special quality aviation aluminum, and this provides excellent heat dissipation. There is a step-by-step video guide, which will help you while installing the light. It's an amazing upgrade for your car. Static Eliminator Discharger. Of course it's there, but you can't see it. Static electricity is everywhere around us, in elevators, car handles, near computers, and so on. In fact, it's very harmful, but thanks to this magic wand which is made to save you. This ultimate discharger is very easy to use. You only need to touch it on any metal surface, before touching the surface with your hand. When static electricity is eliminated, the colorful LED light will flash. It comes in several colors to choose from. This is definitely an amazing gadget you must have. Electronic ice scraper. Looking for a smart way to get rid of ice on your windshield? Then you need to consider this amazing gadget. This gadget makes it really easy to remove ice from the window. Its compact, lightweight, and palm-sized body makes it very easy to hold with one hand. Just push the power button, and move the gadget slowly around the window. Its battery can last up to 15 minutes of continuous use, and you can easily recharge it using USB cable. And in addition, It has an LED indicator which shows the battery status. The package includes a protection cover for safe storage. This is a cool invention for your car. Drop stop gap filler. Alright guys, this is our last gadget for today's video. Sometimes, small stuffs keep disappearing in your car, especially when they fall. Maybe the gap by the driver's seat is curved. Although, this gadget might look simple, but it's very useful. It's designed to cover the gap by the driver's seat. It has a soft and adjustable structure, which makes it suitable for almost any car and gap size. It's made of high-quality neoprene, and this makes it durable, stretchable, and super easy to clean. So you don't have to take it off each time you move your seat. You only need to attach it once and forget about it. This gadget can actually save you from a car accident. Its package includes 2 items, one for the driver's seat, and one for the passenger seat. This is a cool gadget you should get. That's it all for this video guys, thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. Please share this video with your friends,